Apps affairs show you.
How to enable Crossfade on Apple Music. Follow these easy steps to enable Crossfade for Apple Music. First of all, make sure to update your iPhone iOS version to 17. So if you're using iOS 17, go to your iPhone settings app. Here scroll down and tap on music. And here under audio section, you will get Crossfade. All you have to need just enable Crossfade. And from here, you can drag the slider to set the amount of time it takes for the current song to fade out and the new song to fade in. You can select from 1 second to 12 seconds. And that's it. This is how we can enable Crossfade in Apple Music app. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.